Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be talking about how to withdraw your money from the new Bamboo app. Now I know that for some people your withdrawable cash will not show here when you open your app. It's normal. This is because you haven't updated the app to the most recent one. So go to Play Store or App Store if you use an iPhone and update your app to the most recent one, and you'll be able to see how much you have to withdraw. Now, how did I get this withdrawable cash? I got it from selling some of my stocks. So I sold some stocks a couple of days ago. As you already know, if you sell a stock right now, you cannot withdraw your money right now. Let me say that again. If you want to withdraw your money ASAP from Bamboo, that is not how stock investing withdrawals work. If you sell a stock now, you need to wait 24 hours to be able to withdraw your money, because that transaction needs to settle in the market. In stock investing, this is called the T1 rule. If you make a purchase now, you have to wait 24 hours for the money to settle in the market. If you make a sale, if you sell any stock right now that you invested in last month, 2 months ago, it doesn't matter. If you sell this stock right now, you have to wait 24 hours for the transaction to settle in the market. That is how stock brokerage works, basically. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you can see your withdrawable cash. If you cannot see your withdrawable cash here on this page, then it means that the money has not settled into your account. The transaction is, in a sense, still processing. So you have to wait 24 hours. If the money is showing here in withdrawable cash, then congratulations, you can now withdraw your money. Now for you to make that withdrawal, you need to click on transfer to Bamboo wallet first. So how much would I like to withdraw? Well, for the sake of this class, because I don't really need the money for anything at all, I am just going to withdraw, say, $20. So $20, that's 31,000 naira. The exchange rate is usually shown here. So $1 is currently 1553. So $30 is going to be 46,000 naira as of the time of recording this video, as you can see. So this is $30, this is $20, this is what $10 would pretty much be. So let's do 20. So I'm going to click on transfer. It will ask me if I want to transfer the dollars to my dollar wallet or to my naira wallet. If you want to withdraw the money to your dollar account, then use the USD wallet option. If you want to withdraw the money to a Nigerian bank account, then use the NGN wallet. So I clicked on that. It says your transfer of $20 has been moved from brokerage account to your NGN wallet. Now let's go ahead and view the NGN wallet. So sometimes it takes a moment to reflect here. This is also completely normal. I mean, personally, I think that Bamboo needs to work on this. It should not be so, right? You should be able to just go ahead right now and withdraw your money immediately when you know you move it to your NGN wallet. But again, Bamboo being Bamboo, you have to wait a couple of minutes for the money to reflect here in your NGN wallet. When it reflects, you can then click on transfer. It will ask you if you want to transfer to a Nigerian bank account or to a USD wallet, basically your dollar account. In this case, I want to transfer to my Nigerian bank account. So let's assume that the money is again now here in my NGN wallet and I want to withdraw it. I can just go ahead and do that. So that's how you withdraw your money from the Bamboo app. And I'm saying this for the new update, right? If you don't have the new app, I'd advise updating your app to the latest version. You can get the update from Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. As usual, I'm here to answer your questions if you have questions for me, and I'll see you guys. Bye.